Hi friends, my name is Raj and you are watching TechWhite. So in this video, I will show you how to fix this recovery error. It's look like Windows did not load correctly. So in this video, I will show you another method to fix this issue. First, go to the advanced repair option, then go to troubleshoot, then go to advanced option. Now go to command prompt. Now you have to type a command. First, choose your login username. Then enter your password if you have, otherwise press to continue, or if you have any password then first enter your password, then press continue. Now you have to enter a command to fix the hard disk issue. So type chk dsk space /f then space /r then space, then type your Windows drive C:, then press enter. It will check your hard disk issue. If you have any error in your hard disk, it will check it and fix it accordingly. Now you have to type another command. If your Windows file is corrupted, then you have to type this command sfc space /scan now and press enter. This command will repair your Windows corrupted file. It will take around 5 to 10 minutes to complete. Now type exit. Now press on continue. Now wait for a few seconds. Your laptop or desktop will restart. Now you can see Windows is booting correctly now. So thank you. Thanks for watching TechWhite. Have a nice day.